Today onwards, every day 10 to 12 questions I will give. So materials are very important. Okay.
Sir, search my key and
yeah.
I can do them. We'll see this problem. 66. Not circular motion, rotatory motion only. Screen record image annotation. Sir, I think you didn't share this. Yes, sir.
See, they are not telling that person only will identify. Okay, students, so let us see first question, numerical session. A rigid body. Once again, very good evening, everyone. Nivasni, Kalpana, Sriram. a rigid body is rolling, new students, please don't scare. This is actually Monday CPT. Numerical revision is going on. This is the 11th topic. New students did not listen concept. Okay. If you don't understand, stop me. I will explain. Now, a rigid body rolling without slipping on a horizontal surface. Maybe this is, I think. Maybe at a given instant, BD is what? Perfectly horizontal. BD line is perfectly horizontal. 12th need students, please, hello, Hari. My humble request is slowly, discuss slowly. Murmur, like that, okay? Okay, we'll discuss now. Hari and Kashi. During robbery, how two thieves will discuss, no? Like that. Both are good things only. That is for their survival. This is for your survival. Okay. Option A is correct, huh?
Option A, Q.
Yeah, match the following. Everything you have to verify. First, I have to find velocity of the point A. Tell me at point A, how many velocities are there? Rolling means, rolling motion means, how many motions are there? Translatory motion plus rotatory motion. 0 only. At point A, rest only. At point A, what is the translatory velocity? V. Rotational velocity, how much? R omega. But both are nullifies, na? If you have doubt, Q rolling motion, check it out. In the slow motion, this is a rigid wheel. See, I think online students visible or not, I don't know. See my tip of the knuckle. Are you seeing any motion? Check it carefully. What is net velocity of the contact point? 0 only, na? Means translatory velocity is nullified by rotational velocity. That means VC equal to how much? R into omega. So which is the correct point? A is matching with Q. Let us check it out. Option B. Option B, velocity at point B, how much? At point B again, how many velocities are there? One is translatory velocity R omega. Other one is what? Rotational velocity R omega. V and V also you can write. You can write V or V also you can write. No problem. Both are same only. V equal to how much? R omega. Translatory velocity same as rotational velocity, na? So how much according to parallelogram law vector addition? Construct one parallelogram. The diagonal is representing net velocity. What net velocity? Under root of V square plus V square means V root 2 only, na? Say yes or no? V root 2 only, na? Understood or not understood, everyone? Again I am telling, how many velocities are there? 2 velocities. One is translatory velocity V, right side. Other one is rotational velocity or tangential velocity, upside. Construct one parallelogram. The diagonal is representing what? Net velocity. What net velocity? According to Pythagoras theorem, under root of opposite side whole square plus adjacent side whole square means V square plus V square means V root 2 only, na? Which is right option. B is matching with P.
Sir, C is matching with S. C is matching with S. And D is matching with R.
Now let us check it out. C. Now tell me at C, how many velocities are there? One is translatory velocity V, rotational velocity also V. How much net velocity?
2V.
V plus V, how much?
2V.
2 into V. So which is the correct answer?
D.
C is matching with S. What is the velocity of point D?
One velocity.
Only one velocity is there, not translatory velocity V is there. So D is matching with V. Center will not rotate, na? Center means very small. Small thing, how it can rotate? Only it can translate. So V is the correct answer. I hope everyone understood very well. How? You only asked na D point. D center. This is only geometrical center, na D, center of mass. Huh? No. Actually, I am searching conservation of angular momentum. Level 6. I too don't know.
Carbon. Carbon only will make 4. So C H
Okay, let us see this question number 56. Try for 2 minutes, everyone. I will give you hint. Conservation of energy. What is this? Conservation of energy. Hint I have given conservation of energy and 2 minutes time. Everyone. Sphere of mass small m kilogram and radius smaller rolls on a horizontal plane without slipping with a speed u meters per second. Now it rolls up vertically. Then maximum height it would be obtained. Sorry, it would attain will be how much? Option D. Dharani. I understood Dharani logic. Max height equal to u square by 2g.
But I don't think this should be the answer because
incorrect.
Maximum height velocity will be 0. Yes. What do you say? Conservation of mechanical energy or kinetic energy 0.
Conservation of mechanical energy only. Why? Because contact point rest now.
Yes, sir.
Something is rest means how friction will act. This remote control is in the state of rest. Is there any friction acting?
Yes, sir. Static friction.
Then only, sir.
Then only how will then we
That is Vishal physics. Vishal physics for friction. If you push it only, friction will oppose. This remote control is placed na. If you push the external force, then only I will tell you. I'm telling that only. Your problem with your people, when I am justifying, you will not hear. I am pushing the remote control right side. So remote control also pushing the ground right side. Again, ground also will push the remote control left side.
Yes, sir.
Says or no?
Yes, sir.
If you push something, that will push you back. Correct or not? Then ground is applying the static friction left side on the remote because of the external force only.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think with your friends sometimes you will give warning. Hey, I am looking quiet, but if you touch me, fire will like that. Correct or not? Same thing here also, friction also. Understood? Okay. Did not give a punch dialogue? No. Correct or not? So when static friction will come, if you touch the system only, if you push the system only, correct or not? Now the contact point is rest or motion? Rest only na? Then how static friction will come? No friction means no loss of energy na? You can take nicely, no problem. After that you have to think. Never depend on anyone for this 2 minutes. Think, try. Take 1 minute extra also, no problem. So this is one horizontal smooth surface. Understood? How that sphere?
Sir, which means inclined, sir.
Yeah.
Like this.
It will go vertically up only, na?
No, sir. I thought straight going this after this.
How it is possible, Ray?
So that only we are thinking.
It is also going vertically up, na? If vertical wall is there, it will come back only. Understood? So how much height, vertically height? H meter. We have to find this.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we'll paint.
Wheel painter. Sir, one doubt, sir. Rolling, sir. So we should have some angular momentum, so we should consider that also. Or that will remain constant throughout the.
No. Here you cannot conserve. Why? Because angular momentum is cannot be conserved. Why? Because external gravitational force is there, na?
Yes, sir.
They will contribute torque. So net external torque is not zero. Yeah, only conservation of energy.
Option D.
Option D. D, again, G also highly confident.
Sir, whether we need to take kinetic energy for rolling motion also, sir.
Then who will take?
He will take now, sir. Then cancel that option, sir. Cancel that option, sir.
Rolling motion ke exam
ரெண்டு kinetic energy இருக்கு. ஒரு translatory kinetic energy, ஒரு rotational kinetic energy.
Sir, for sphere, what is the moment of sphere?
Solid sphere moment of inertia, how much, Ray? He did not mention hollow sphere. So solid sphere you have to take. Moment of inertia of the solid sphere, how much? I is equal to 2/5 mr square. Say yes or no?
Kinetic energy, I omega.
Half I omega square.
Half I am.
Rotational kinetic energy, half I omega square. What a translator kinetic energy? Half mv square. Or mu square, your wish. Fourth option. Shiva also. Any thoughts, free thoughts are there? Please discuss with me. Online students, please submit your response. Yeah.
Erase my name.
Erase my name.
Sir, option 3, sir.
Option 3,
7u
Jiva.
square by 10g.
Okay. Shiva, are you sticking to option 4? Withdrawing, huh? Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah, m u square plus half I omega square is equal to mg.
That's getting rotational element and who will take it there? It's an idea I guess.
Okay, so it is my turn. 1 second complete.
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, then 2
Option
seconds.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 3 pakka. Srinidha also, na?
SRI,
SRI, yeah.
full murdered, sir. Full murdered. NIDH. D, sir. D for Delhi.
D for Delhi, yeah. Okay. So, this is one solid sphere. This is what here? It is having what speed? U meter per second. After some time, what will happen? Please respond. After some time, what will happen? It will come to rest, na? After vertical height h meter, it will come to rest. Come to rest means translatory velocity 0 and angular velocity also 0. And as I told you, pure rolling motion means no friction is there. No friction means no loss of energy. So I can write total energy at A equal to how much? Total energy at B. What total energy at A? Translatory kinetic energy plus rotatory kinetic energy plus potential energy. Here also translatory kinetic energy plus rotatory kinetic energy plus potential energy. What a translatory kinetic energy formula? Very good, half mu square. What rotatory kinetic energy formula? Very good, half I omega square. What a potential energy formula? Mg 0. This is my origin. Center of mass residing at x-axis, na? So potential energy how much? Mg into 0. So 0. What a translatory kinetic energy? How much? 0. Came to rest, na? Rotatory kinetic energy also 0. Potential energy how much? Potential energy how much? Very good. Mg H. So half mu square. Someone tell me what is the moment of inertia of the solid sphere? Very good. 2 by 5 m into r square. Omega value how much? You know u is equal to r omega. You know everyone pure rolling motion condition. So omega equal to how much? U by r whole power 2 equal to how much? M into g into h. Mass cancel. 2 cancels. So what you can? Yeah. R square also cancel. U square by 2 plus how much? U square by 5 equal to how much? G into h. If you take the LCM, 10 and 5 into u square plus 2u square equal to how much? G into h. So 7u square equal to how much? 10 into g into h. H value how much?
7u square.
Very good. 7u square by 10 into g is the perfect answer and very, very important concept.
Sir, how to judge that we need to deal with the conservation of energy? How to judge that?
No friction, no man. Pure rolling. Pure rolling means contact point rest of motion. Na? Rest means what? No friction. Na? No friction means no loss of energy. That's all. That is the identification. Clear? 57 also similar model. You have to do it. Yeah, everyone, I will also, both will discuss, share your free thoughts. Circular ring starts rolling down on an inclined plane from its top. Rolling down. Rolling down means how many motions are there? Translatory motion, rotatory motion.
Sir, it is smooth so that friction does not take.
Let V be the velocity of its center of mass on reaching the bottom of an inclined plane. If block starts sliding down on an identical inclined plane but smooth from its top, then the velocity of the block on reaching the bottom of the inclined plane is how much? Not understood. Circular ring starts rolling down on an inclined plane from its top. Let V is the velocity of the center of mass on reaching down. This is the first situation. Second ring also there. If block starts sliding down on an identical inclined plane but smooth from its top, then velocity of the block on reaching the bottom of the inclined plane, how much is asking? Two situations. Ring is rolling, block is skidding. Two situation means how many equations? Two equations. Is there any friction in both of the cases? No friction. So what concept you have to apply? Conservation of energy. Do it. Try. Ring moment of inertia mr square only. Ring is mr square only.
Starting circular starts rolling down, sir. So initial velocity will be 0.
Super, correct one. Correct one. Started. Starting means what? Initial speed 0 only, na? Potential energy is there, na?
Starting the block will have some potential energy.
Only potential energy.
So like translated kinetic energy is there, it translates with potential energy.
Only potential energy. Online students also try seriously.
Sir, I got root 3 by 2v, sir, but not an option.
Root 3 by 2v, yeah?
Sir, I is mr square or
mr square only.
Sir, option 4, sir.
Option 4.
SRINI.
Anyway, SI will write, it's better.
Sir, can I share my ideas?
Please.
Sir, first in rotational motion, I took conservation of energy.
Potential energy is mgh only. After reaching down, Only translator kinetic energy is there. Only rotational kinetic energy is there.
Yes, sir. So that I found the value of height first, sir.
Hmm.
Then again for a block, height and conservation of
Height both are same only, na?
So that for the block height, sir, and substitute the value of height, sir. But answer is coming.
I think you did a calculation mistake only. Okay, it is my turn, students. This is one inclined plane. What is this? Let's say the height of the inclined plane, how much? H meter. This is one circular loop or ring or hoop.
No, sir. On reaching the bottom of the inclined plane, will the block have potential energy, sir?
Zero.
Then only at the
Ground is x-axis, na?
Yes, sir.
So potential energy is zero. No potential energy.
So one potential energy and one kinetic energy the block will have, sir.
Yes. So I will take this is my origin, and what is this? X-axis. So after reaching, as per the data, after reaching the ground, what is the velocity? V meters per second.
Yes, sir.
So I can write at A how much energy is there. B also same energy is there. So I can write kinetic energy at A plus translator kinetic energy at A plus rotatory kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at A equal to KT plus KR plus UB. Is there any translator kinetic energy? Zero. No rotation. Option D only. Yeah? Okay. What a potential energy of that sphere? Sorry, ring. Where would mg h only na potential energy formula. What a translator kinetic energy after reaching ground?
Half I omega square.
Half mv square. What a rotational kinetic energy? Half I omega square. Potential energy zero only na mg h. H means zero only. So I can write mg h equal to how much? Half mv square plus half what the moment of inertia of the ring? Where would mr square? Omega value how much? V by r whole square. You know everyone V equal to r omega na? So omega equal to how much? V by r. Pure rolling he only mentioned. R square cancels. M cancels out. So what do you get? GH equal to V square by 2 plus V square by 2. So GH equal to how much? V square. Don't do anything, just keep aside. Same thing will repeat for block. Second situation, we have to divide them or multiply them. Now, second situation I will read. A block starts sliding down on an identical inclined plane but smooth from its top, then velocity of the block on reaching the bottom.
Mass of block and mass of sphere is same. Sir, how can we relate the block and
If it different also, same thing will come. Nullified na. Left side nullified na. Very reasonable doubt, Vishal. Why you laughed? I hurted. I understood. Okay, is a very valid doubt. Cancel. Okay, I told. Understood. Okay, clear. So we'll figure it out. Second situation also. What is second situation? Respond. In the second situation, simply same inclined plane is there, but block is sliding. Directly I can tell now V square equal to 2GH. Is there any no logic required? Understood. It is falling from height h. Anything reaching after reaching height h meter, what is velocity? Under root of 2GH only na. If you have doubt, I will prove it also. I think you got same na. Here also I can write it A and B. I can write what I can write? Conservation of energy. Kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at A equal to kinetic energy at B plus potential energy at B. What a kinetic energy at A? 0 plus mgh equal to kinetic energy at B how much? Only half m V prime square. Potential energy 0. Mm cancels out. What a V prime value? Under root of 2GH. Say yes or no? No problem. Okay, you can do many methods. Both are correct only. Second equation how much? V prime whole square equal to 2GH na? If you divide them, GH cancel 1 by 2 equal to how much? V square by V prime whole square. So V prime whole square equal to 2V square. So V prime value how much? Root 2 into V is your answer. Which is the right option? 4 is the right answer, perfect answer. So, very good, Jiva and Srinidhi. Without any support, you have done. Okay.
Starting that
velocity
will be 0 for.
Okay. See next question, question number 37.
Moving along the line with speed.
Now it is your turn, students. Particle of mass 1 kg is moving along the line y is equal to x plus 2 with a what speed? 2 meters per second. Then the magnitude of the angular momentum of the particle about origin. Okay, this thing I will do. No need.
Velocity is 2, mass is 1, 0. That y equal to x plus 2.
Yes, that one.
Sir, what is the y equal to x plus 2?
It is a trajectory. Straight line it is going. Means take the frame of reference. This is a frame of reference, na? What a y is equal to x plus 2 means? This only, no? I mean the particle is going in this line only, na? Like this only it is going. Y is equal to x plus 2 line everyone knows, na? This is only y is equal to x plus 2. Slope is positive means like this you have to draw. Plus 2 means y intercept. Positive y intercept. So from origin, what a velocity of that particle? 2 meters per second. What a mass of the particle? 1 kg. What is the? It is translatory motion, na? What a translatory angular momentum formula? M into V into perpendicular distance. From origin, if you draw any perpendicular line, that is the R value. How to find R value? Tell me.
Sir, distance between a straight line and a point.
This distance I know. This distance how much?
Yeah, sir, we can use distance between a straight line and a point, sir.
Distance?
Between a straight line and a point.
Tell me that. Then listen to this. Okay. After going to house revise, now listen. What is value? Tell me. 2 only na. Y intercept 2 only na. Conceptually, let me do right. That formulas all. This is 2 only na. It is very simple, Srinidhi. Understood? Okay. So it is 2 only na. This angle, if I found, it is over. What is the angle? Somewhat. Once again, I will redraw the diagram. See here. What is the slope is given, students? Y is equal to mx plus c na. Y is equal to how much? 1 into x plus 2. Slope is how much? 1 only na. Means this angle theta. Tan theta value how much? 1 only na. Tan theta 1 means this is 45 only na. Say yes or no? Then this is 45 means. Tell me this also how much? This also 45 na. Say yes or no? This also 45. So this also how much? 45. This distance I know. How much? As per the data 2 na. So this is, I will assume R. So I can write. I know opposite side I know hypotenuse. Say yes or no? So I know sine 45 equal to how much? Opposite side R by hypotenuse is 2. So R equal to how much? 2 sine 45. 2 into sin 45 value how much? 1 by root 2. 2 means root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel. So R value how much? Root 2. But angular momentum, translate angular momentum formula MER. M value how much? 1 into speed value, 2 into root 2. So what is your answer? 2 root 2 kg meter square per second. So option 2 is the perfect answer for the question. Clear?
That formula, sir. Modulus of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by under root of A square plus B square. With that only, sir, we found.
This is I will not remember formula. Mostly I will not remember. Like this only I will do. Okay. This formula you felt it difficult, na? But if you have the logic tricky method, you can do. Simple Pythagoras theorem is enough, na? Huh? That thought you have to get. Okay. Now everyone take 5 minutes break. Today stay till 8:30 only.
Sir, why, sir?
Numericals are will discuss na chemistry.
Sir, if sir allows, we can go, sir.
No. Your wish, but
Sir, for him, he needs break.
who?
Chemistry, sir.
Chemistry, sir.